on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. Going to show you how to make money on this site called Earnably. I will leave the link to it in the description. Very cool site. Been using it for a while. I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how to make money with it. So you see here at the top, I have $19.38. I'm going to cash it out at the end of the video. But for right now, I'm going to show you basically, what I do in order to make money. So right here, I'm on the main page. Even if you go to Earn and go to Offer Walls, this is what pops up. Now, there's a good amount of money in here with this section. You see here, you'll start out with Peanut Labs. Very short, easy surveys to do there. Not difficult at all. It's a good survey provider because it doesn't take so long to do the surveys. You have AdSense Media, you have AdGate, you have Offerturo. All three of these are very simple offer walls to use because a lot of those offers that are in there are just, submit an email or just sign up for something free, just little easy stuff like that. You can pay 50 cents, 75 cents to do stuff like that. So just kind of let those pile up. Some other good ones in here as well, just offers. That's what they really come down to, just trying out, different things. So go up here now to daily surveys. Just to show you their survey section. They have your surveys, say so reward, poll fish, opinion surveys. Your surveys is one where, the more you do, the more you qualify for. Poll fish, they have lots of surveys that are like no more than 5 minutes. So, you just have to really just be able to catch them because they fill up very, very fast. So just be always mindful of that. But the surveys, I know a lot of people don't like surveys, but it's like, especially with your surveys and say so rewards, just the more you do, the more you will actually qualify for, so just in the beginning, it might be a little difficult, but just, keep grinding with it. So you'll see here at the top, the Hideout TV, getting paid to watch videos. This is something that I do, in the background, different tab, just kind of let my money add up that way. So I'm going to click on it to show you how it works. It will take you to the video section. And like I said at the top, it's 0.7 points for 3 ads. And you'll see different ones you can click on, just to earn. It doesn't matter which one you click on. They all pay the same. But if you want to just click on it like this, you'll click Start Earning. And then a different tab will actually pop up. You do have to create an account with that. It's free. It's easy to do. And it'll literally just start running the video. So that's how that works. Like I said, I do that in the background while I'm doing surveys and offers. That way my money is still piling up, while I'm using the site. So, it's just a different way of doing it. You can actually watch the videos if you want to. It just really depends on what you want to do. But, there is money in the video section. So now I'm going to show you the redeem section, things you can get for your points. They got PayPal, Amazon, Walmart gift cards. if you scroll down here, just lots of different restaurants, grocery stores, retail gift cards. So, there's something in here for everybody, depending on what you want. It usually starts out at about $1 if you start with PayPal. So, show you that real quick. Yeah, $1 for $1.25, $2, $2.25, $5, 500 points. And so on and so on. There's discounts as you get to 50 and to 100. So for me, I always have my email and stuff, with the site. So I'm going to cash out $15. So I'm going to cash out a $10 cash out and a $5 cash out. So like I said, my information is already there. So all I have to literally do is click redeem now. And it'll come instant. Well, not instantly. It takes maybe like a day or two with this site, but they do pay every time. So I'll just click redeem now. And you'll see here at the top, congrats, you redeemed 10 points. And, 10 points went down on my account. Now I click on the $5 one and $5, now it came out of my account. So $15 just like that. You don't have to wait between cash outs. You can cash out as much money as you want to. If I wanted to now, I can do another like $2 cash out and a $1 cash out for 1 or 2, things like that. But, $15 is cool for me because I like to leave a little money in my account. But, this site is very simple, very straightforward. I just really just jump around with the offers, do surveys here and there and let my videos run in the background. So a not difficult site to use, very easy. Like I said, it's completely free. The link to sign up is in the description. Click on it, sign up, create your account today and start making some free money online. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.